Are you a property owner struggling with structural issues like cracks, leaks, or other costly problems in your commercial building? Introducing our professional commercial building structural repair consulting services. With 40 years of experience in the industry, we understand the complexity of structural problems and provide tailored solutions that restore your commercial building's integrity and safety. Our team conducts thorough assessments, delivers detailed reports, and guides you through every step of the repair process, ensuring you make informed decisions that align with your budget and timeline. Whether it's foundation repairs, wall stabilization, or moisture intrusion issues, we are here to help. We work closely with you to identify the root causes of your structural concerns and develop a comprehensive plan to resolve them efficiently. Take action today to protect your investment and regain peace of mind. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.